Hello everyone, I am Guru Prasad from Life Guru Talks. To understand the context of this video, please watch last 4 videos uploaded on this platform. In this video, we are going to talk about how you can save your 10,000 US dollars and how you can prepare at your level regarding application into top universities or any jobs. First of all, any selection process which tests your personality traits is a test of your life. Leave aside those processes which test your technical background, for example some coding or some engineering background. Leave that aside. Anything other than that which tests your personality is a test of your life. So if you want to get through that process, improve your life, you will get selected anywhere. If you see the top universities application process, then you will find that they want to know about 2-3 things about you. First, how you have lived your life, how you are living your life, and how you want to live your life in future. They want to know about your passion, they want to know how you fulfill your responsibilities, they want to know how you overcome the challenges you face, they want to know your interpersonal skills. All this is your way of life. So all this is a test of way of your life, how you live and how you do things. No other consultant can do this for you, you have to do it yourself. Let me give you an example. If in your application you mention that you coach your juniors to grow in life, and if you haven't done any of it, then when you say it in your interview, your words won't sound convincing and confident. No consultant can instill confidence in you. Only by doing things you can have that confidence. And there are many benefits to this. You don't have to mug up your interview. You just have to talk about yourself, what you have done, and also you don't have to struggle for the examples universities ask or your future employer is asking you that give me examples where you face challenges and how you solved them. So you don't have to struggle for any of these examples. An education consultant can help you present your application better, but they cannot do all these things what I mentioned before for you. That you have to do yourself, and this is how you can save your 10,000 US dollars, and instead of wasting them by giving to somebody to edit your essays and application, invest that money on yourself or do anything what you want to do. And those who are interested in improving their profile and grooming themselves into a better person and a better professionals, we are coming with a series of videos for them. So stay tuned to Life Guru Talks if you want to democratize education and learning. Thank you.